The demand for induction cookware sets has surged as more home chefs and busy families switch to induction cooktops for their speed, efficiency, and safety. Induction-ready pots and pans not only heat faster, but also offer precise temperature control, making cooking more enjoyable.
List number 1. Tefal Stainless Steel Cookware Set. The Tefal Stainless Steel Cookware Set is a top choice for those seeking durability and performance at a reasonable price. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this set ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots that can cause uneven cooking. Its heavy-gauge base features an aluminum core, making it perfectly compatible with induction cooktops. The handles are ergonomically designed with a comfortable grip, and they stay cool even during long cooking sessions. Each piece is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe, adding convenience to daily use. The glass lids allow you to monitor your food without losing heat or flavor. From simmering soups to searing meats, the Tefal set performs impressively across various cooking styles.
List number 2. Caroti Non-Stick Pots and Pans. The Caroti Non-Stick Pots and Pans set offers a sleek, eco-friendly design that appeals to modern kitchens. Made with natural granite coating, it provides a non-toxic PFOS and PFOA-free surface that ensures healthy cooking with minimal oil. The non-stick performance is exceptional. Food releases effortlessly, making cleaning quick and easy. Each pot and pan has a thickened aluminum base that conducts heat evenly, reducing the chance of hot spots. The handles are ergonomically designed with a comfortable wood look finish, adding a touch of style and practicality. This Caroti set is fully induction compatible, providing fast and even heating on all stovetops. The set includes essential cookware pieces ideal for everyday use, whether you're frying eggs, boiling pasta, or making sauces. It's also lightweight, making it easy to handle and perfect for smaller kitchens.
List number 3. Cooker King Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece Pot Set. The Cooker King Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece Pot Set blends the best of stainless steel durability and non-stick convenience. Its unique hybrid design features a honeycomb texture that prevents sticking while allowing excellent searing and browning, ideal for chefs who love versatility. The triple-layer construction ensures fast, even heating across all induction surfaces, while the stainless steel exterior gives it a premium professional look. Each piece is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and features ergonomic, stay-cool handles for safety. The tempered glass lids let you monitor cooking progress without lifting the lid. Its non-stick surface is metal utensil safe, a rare advantage among similar products. Pros: hybrid design offers durability and easy cleaning, metal utensil safe. Cons: slightly heavier than typical non-stick sets. List number 4. Caroti 17 PCS Pots and Pans Set. If you're building a complete kitchen collection, the Caroti 17 PCS Pots and Pans Set delivers outstanding versatility and value. Featuring a durable granite nonstick coating, it ensures smooth cooking and effortless cleanup. The set includes everything from frying pans and saucepans to casseroles and utensils, perfect for families and serious home cooks. Designed for induction compatibility, the thickened aluminum base distributes heat evenly and efficiently. The ergonomic Bakelite handles stay cool, and the neutral tones of the set blend seamlessly into any modern kitchen. Free of harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA, it's a health-conscious choice that doesn't compromise performance. The cookware is also lightweight and easy to maneuver, while its non-stick coating holds up well with proper care.
List number 5. Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece Fry Pan Set. The Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece Fry Pan Set is a premium choice that bridges the gap between stainless steel and non-stick. Endorsed by top chefs,
HexClad's patented hexagonal design provides exceptional searing power with easy food release. Its tri-ply construction, stainless steel, aluminum core, and magnetic base ensures optimal heat distribution on induction cooktops. These pans are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher-safe, and compatible with metal utensils. The hybrid surface resists scratches while maintaining a slick non-stick performance. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or simmering, HexClad delivers professional-grade results every time.